Wiping countertops. Keeping your kitchen clean. Hello and welcome to our English language learning video series. In this video, we will focus on the topic of wiping countertops as part of our everyday activities and household chores series. By the end of this video, you'll be able to understand the vocabulary and phrases related to cleaning kitchen countertops. So, let's get started. Keeping your kitchen countertops clean is essential for maintaining a healthy and hygienic environment. Wiping countertops regularly helps prevent the growth of bacteria, ensures food safety, and keeps your kitchen looking neat and tidy. It's a simple task that can make a big difference. Let's learn some key vocabulary and phrases related to wiping countertops. 1. Countertop. This refers to the flat working surface in your kitchen, usually made of materials such as granite, marble, or laminate. 2. Cleaning cloth. A soft piece of fabric or cloth used for wiping surfaces. 3. Spray bottle. A container that sprays a fine mist of liquid, used to apply cleaning solutions. 4. Disinfectant. A cleaning agent that kills bacteria and germs. 5. Wipe down. To clean a surface by rubbing it gently with a cloth or sponge. Now, let's go through the steps for effectively wiping countertops. 1. Step 1. Clear the surface. Remove any objects, dishes, or appliances from the countertop to ensure a thorough cleaning. 2. Step 2. Spray the disinfectant. Spray a small amount of disinfectant onto the countertop surface. Be sure to read and follow the instructions on the disinfectant bottle. 3. Step 3. Spread the disinfectant. Use your cleaning cloth to spread the disinfectant evenly across the countertop, covering all areas. 4. Step 4. Wipe in circular motions. Start from one end of the countertop and wipe in circular motions, gradually moving to the other end. This ensures thorough cleaning and disinfection. 5. Step 5. Pay attention to corners and edges. Don't forget to clean the corners and edges of the countertop, as dirt and bacteria can accumulate there. 6. Step 6. Dry the countertop. Once you've wiped the surface, use a dry cloth to remove any remaining moisture. This helps prevent water spots or streaks. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to keeping your countertops clean. Regularly wiping them down after cooking or preparing meals will help maintain a hygienic environment in your kitchen. Congratulations! You have successfully learned about the important task of wiping countertops. By understanding the vocabulary and following the steps we discussed, you can now keep your kitchen clean and maintain a healthy living space. Remember, a clean kitchen is not only pleasing to the eye but also promotes good hygiene. We hope you found this video helpful and that you can apply what you've learned in your daily life. Stay tuned for more videos in our English language learning series. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.